Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram picture after posting. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram app, and after that, go to Profile on the bottom right. From here, open the picture that you have posted, and then tap on the three dots on the top right. Here you'll see multiple options, so tap on Edit. And now from the edit section, as you can see, you can only edit the caption, or you can tag people after posting by tapping on Tag People. You just need to tap on the picture and then type in who you want to tag. Then you can also edit alt text by tapping on Edit Alt Text. Now, just write in whatever you want. After that, tap on the Done button on the top right. Now tap on Write a Caption and write whatever caption you want. Once you're done, just tap on the tick icon on the top right corner. So you cannot change Instagram picture after posting. So what you need to do is tap on the three dots on the top right and delete this photo. So tap on Delete on the Delete post. After that, all you need to do is re-upload the picture. So that is the only way you can change picture on Instagram.